Let's talk about the Tyler Candle Company laundry wash. My favorite scent is going to be Diva. However, I bought this jug about 2 years ago, and I want to be honest about how I absolutely hated it. I bought this because everyone was talking about how good it was, and I used it like I would use a normal laundry soap, and I washed my bedding with it, and to me it was awful. It was way overpowering. It reminded me of like an old man trying too hard, and I absolutely hated it. I stopped using it. I was so disappointed in it. Fast forward a year, and people were still talking about it, and I was just like, what the heck? What am I missing here? I was missing something huge. This is heavily concentrated, and when I tried it again, same way, washing my bedding, I just used less than a capful in my wash, and it was absolutely divine. It was insane. It was so good. I fell in love from that moment on, and I have since bought the smaller bottles. I've bought the votive candles. I've bought the car fresheners. I've bought the bigger candles, all of it in Diva scent. I do like their other scents. I have since been to storefronts that have the other scents, and I absolutely love them too, but I personally want my home to smell like Diva. Just know a little goes a long way. You're gonna absolutely fall in love with it. This is the larger container, and even though I've been using it now for a year straight, it's still about halfway full. I wash my curtains in it, I wash my bath mats in it, my bedding, and my towels, so that my home throughout smells absolutely luxurious, like a fancy hotel. It is the best.